beautiful morning here in the fall, and this is Juniperus Chinensis kazuka. Now, it's also known as the Hollywood Juniper, or I knew it as the Hollywood cypress growing up, and it's an evergreen that grows hardy in zones 4 to 9, and we are located in Southern California here, and you can see it's doing great. And we've been here for about 13 years now, and this plant was taller than me when we moved in, so it's probably about 25 years, I would say. And let's get a closer look at it. So you can see it's sort of an ancient type of plant. The foliage is very, very Jurassic Parkish, I guess you could say. But I find it very beautiful. Now it does grow kind of slow, but in time it'll reach 30 feet tall, by about 10 to 15 feet wide. It does attract birds, and it's a very tolerant plant, likes a lot of sunlight. It will take full sun in Southern California without a problem. Just don't give it too much water. Wet soil will be bad for it. And it also has good salt tolerance as well. And you can see the trunk is very beautiful. Kind of looks like a cedar or a cypress as well, or juniper. But I find it very, very beautiful. Now, it got its name from its irregular shape, and it was popular in Japan in the 1920s and kind of spread to California. That's why they call it the Hollywood Juniper. And it doesn't get any pests. I've observed 0 pests other than maybe some moss or some, I guess, lichens grow on the branches a little bit, but I just leave that alone. And the only thing is that will throw you off is I always expect to have a smell if I break off the leaves, but this plant's very, very neutral, so it doesn't have a scent. So if you really want that kind of forest scent or cedar scent or juniper scent, find a different variety, because this thing does not smell, but it is really beautiful. All right, give us a like and a subscribe, and we'll keep them coming. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.